Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I will unbox and review the camera pouch I purchased for the DJI Osmo Action 6, which I have here. I haven't published the unboxing video yet, and there was a bit of a mishap with the setup video, but the DJI Osmo Action 6 is here and is ready to be put to good use on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel we cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. And in this case, a camera case is always a useful thing to have, even if it's a rugged, sturdy action camera. And in this case, this is the JJC neoprene camera case that I got for the DJI Osmo Action 6. Now, what do we have in the pouch? Obviously, there is the silica gel, and there's also a little carabiner hook for putting it on your belt. Yeah, I never thought I would say that, but I am the sort of person who will wear this around on a belt loop just because it's convenient. So that's great. So let's see how it fits in with the DJI Osmo Action 6. The great news is that it fits in nicely, it's nice and snug, and you also have space for an extra battery. So that fits in the side there. Now, downside to this, it's not sealed. It doesn't have a zipper, so dust, sand could get in there. But if this is just something that you're going to be using to put it in your bag and stop the lenses getting scratched or the screens getting scratched, this might be a good solution. It also has, as well as the hook for the carabiner, it also has a belt loop. So you can put this on your belt to have that holstered there for easy access. So I think for the price I paid for this, which was less than £10 sterling on a deal on Amazon, I think this is pretty decent and it will do fine for my upcoming trip to Italy. But if you're looking for something with a little bit more closing so that you don't let sand or too much cat fluff or lint get into the camera, maybe consider something like the little cases that we've already reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. I'll link in the description to where you too can purchase this and watch our video about it if you're interested. But this JJC one, for the price, has space for an extra battery, or if you have a cable you want to use with your device, it's all there ready to go. So no complaints from me here. It suits my needs. Only thing I'd like to see better here is a bit of dust closure or dust resistance, but not something I'm going to complain about for the price I got it for. Great, thanks for watching if you made it this far. As usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We are wonderfully nerdy and put stuff on our belts. If you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, do leave us a comment and we'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you made it this far into this video, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.